Ebi ní pani bakanna. Ọ̀rọ̀ kìí dunni bakanna. Ebi ní pani bakanna. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí dunni bakanna. It is only when we are hungry that we feel it the same way. When we are insulted, when people get down on us heavily, it affects us differently. Treat people differently. Be careful with people. Don't just speak anyhow. Don't speak just the way you are angry. Don't just express or vent your anger just anyhow. Be considerate, because that word you are speaking, that insult you are hurling out at someone, may meet them at a point not convenient for them, and may make life difficult for them forever. Some may never forget it. Some teachers in class, yes, they got frustrated, that is true. They've been trying to make a student understand one thing or the other, but it's not working out, and eventually they spoke out. You can never become anything in life. That word has pursued some to their graveyard and limited them in their productivity. Ebi ní pani bakanna, ọ̀rọ̀ dunni bakanna. Be careful of the way you speak. Be considerate. Speak encouraging words. I want to introduce you to one school that you need to send your children to. This school is where the teachers are considerate in the way they speak to children. They bring out the best out of the words. They don't get frustrated and speak evil words into the life of children. Zion Academy, MENA. They have full boarding facilities that can accommodate your children if you want them to be fully boarded. Also, they have day students. They have from primary school to secondary school, and testimonial bands about lives that have been changed by attending the school.